So I'm Brad Leavitt, president of AFT Construction. Welcome to our YouTube channel today. If you're interested in design, construction, architecture, or small business, this is definitely the channel for you. So make sure and comment, like, and subscribe. Today we are at our Arcadia Lights project, and there's been a lot of work behind the scenes. We recently released a video showing you the tour of this house. You know, at frame stage, it's come a long way since then. There's one element in particular that we want to show you, and especially the amount of detail behind the scenes and coordination this took. So check this out. So we are here in the kitchen of our Arcadia Lights, and this is a project that we worked on with Pella windows. And you can see behind me we have the kitchen hood, this amazing great room, 18-foot tall ceilings. One of our favorite details is this pass-through countertop to the outside. So we have our formal kitchen here. Behind us, we have our dirty kitchen, and then outside we're gonna have an outdoor kitchen. Most of us have seen these pass-through counters, and this one's very unique. There was a lot of coordination that went into this. So we're gonna show you some behind the scenes. We are actually at Pella. So Pella at their showroom did a full mock-up of this. So they actually built this cabinetry to scale. They built this opening to scale. And because everything's motorized, so everything was built to scale off-site to make sure it'd work. Everything was troubleshooted there off-site, and then we brought it out. We made sure that our physical elements out here in the field matched exactly our template there behind the scenes, and you can see this now. So early in the schedule, we had our cabinet company, so Paul really coordinated this, who's our project manager on this project. We have our cabinetry installed. We're gonna have our countertop installed as we close this up, you know, that's protected. But you can see here, we have our track. And so this entire countertop window is automated. You can see it completely pockets here in the wall, and it's all gonna be controlled. Right here is gonna be our control panel. It'll also be operated through Crestron, through our remote system. You know, it could work through your iPhone or your iPad, but this entire countertop's gonna open up right here to the edge. And the reason we wanna take it to the edge is because this is where the challenge was. As we're thinking in pre-construction and off-site, there's a lot of detail going into this design. You know, this is our first doing a design such as this because we have a full height right here slider. So this is the French door size, even though it's not a French door, but it's a slider. So this, you can see here that it's fully pocketed, and this completely pockets in the wall as well. So we have a full height door that's gonna open and close. We have a window now that opens and closes, and this seal is super important. How do we seal from the elements right here, the window to door connection, and then down here with our waterfall countertop, how do we seal that during, you know, at the final product? So there was a lot of coordination and pre-construction involved with Pella, involved with our framers, making sure these rough openings are right, and then even our finish trades, you know, countertops, cabinetry. How do these elements intersect? And what we're gonna do, these countertops, so we're gonna have a waterfall edge. We have our full width countertop to the track, countertop over here because we're gonna have a bar here where people can sit, pass through. We're gonna fill countertop material in between the tracks, so that way the track is completely flush. So there's a lot of coordination here on the thickness as well to make sure our countertop is gonna be flush with our track. So this is where it's really important as you're working in pre-construction to think through the details, think of the options from the architect and designer. How are we gonna make this work? How do we build this off-site to make sure that we know it's gonna be a tried and true system so that by the time we bring it to the field, all that time and research has been accomplished, and we know this will perform over time, and we aren't gonna have any issues with water or dust or air or bugs that come into the house. One of the elements people ask about cost, right? So one of the common questions, hey Brad, how much does this multi-slider cost? How much would this cost? So I mean, you just think of some of the elements. This isn't crazy expensive. There are some costs involved. I mean, when you think of this window system, you can see this track that's been coordinated, the expertise off-site. So for a system such as this, you're probably gonna spend roughly 10 to 12 grand for the window package. You know, then there's a few $1,000s for install and coordination off-site. And then, you know, when we look at the cost of construction, you know, we're not gonna have huge costs from stucco and waterproofing and lath. That's not gonna be major. The countertops, there's a little bit additional expense because we're gonna be customizing this detail with the overhang, the waterfall edge, and then in between the track, and then the cabinetry. So you have a few trip charges from some of these vendors. You have some coordination off-site. Not a major expense, but it is an upgrade. But it does add some great indoor-outdoor living. When you're thinking about entertaining with your clients and friends and family, you know, this is gonna be a piece that really accents the house, adds a lot of element. It's a great conversation piece, and it's gonna add to the overall design and aesthetics of the build.